Hi boys and girls, it's time for us to do math lesson 6.10. We're going to model, read, and write numbers from 110 to 120. First though, we have just a little review on the front, and you have all those shells. And if I look at my paper, the shells are in rows of 10, and I'm going to leave these individual ones by themselves. So I count the rows of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bundles of 10. So I would write 10 bundles of 10, and then there were 4 extra. That number was 104. And I could count it by tens. I could say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104 was our answer for that one. So then go ahead and turn the page, and you see you have some sticks. I'm going to represent them with quick pictures with my lines going down. And the first one, there are 11 10, so I have 11 sticks. 1. Boys and girls, let me change markers here. For some reason, our black markers are not showing up well today. Let's try this one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bundles of 10, and 0 ones. That number is 110. I'm going to grab another marker, boys and girls. I just feel like we need that a little darker today. We'll get a couple different ones and see what works best. Our next one, instead of 11 sticks, now we have 12 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I write 12 tens, 0 ones. I can count these by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 like we had last time, 120. Now if you move down to number 1. Number 1 looks like this. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then they have an 11th one over here and 1, 1. So now I know there are 11 bundles of 10 and 1, 1. I have the number 111. If I count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111. My next one looks similar. Now I still have the 10 here, one extra one over here of 10, and 2 in the ones. So now I know I have 11 sticks, 11 groups of 10, and 2 ones. My number is 112. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112. Number 3. I still have the group of 10 sticks and the 11th one here, and now 3 in the ones. So I have 11 sticks or 11 bundles of 10, 3 ones. I have the number 113. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112, 113. Number 4 on that page. Now I still have my 10 sticks here and my 11th one there, 11 bundles of 10, and 4 in the ones. 114. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. Go ahead and flip your page. You should be on page 387. Now we still have the 10 bundles of 10 here, the 11th one here, and 5 in the ones. So now I know I have 11 bundles of 10 and 5 ones. My number is 115. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. Number 6. We still kept the groups 10 tens, the 11th 10, and now we're adding one extra one here. So we have 11 groups of 10, and now we have 6 in the one. Our number is 116. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116. Number 7. This should be pretty easy. You're getting the idea. We're just adding an extra 1 each time. Now we have 11 bundles of 10 and 7 in the ones, 117. Go to number 8. Number 8, they added another 1. I still have 11 bundles of 10. 8 in the ones, I have 118. Our next one, we have 9 in the ones. We still have our 11 bundles of 10. 9 ones, 119. Go to number 10 now. They've added another stick over here. So let's see how many sticks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bundles of 10. No ones, 0 in the ones, 120. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. At the bottom, we have things moved around a little bit. Now we have 4 in the ones place, but it's over on this side, and we have our sticks here. We always want to count the tens first. Let's check how many tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens, 4 ones. That one represents 114. Our next one, they drew it this way. They gave us one of our tens over here, and a 1 here, and some more tens here. We want to count our tens first. We want to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens. 1, 1. That number is 111. The next one, they split things up in this one. Now we have 5 ones over here. And we have some tens here. We have 3 ones in the middle. Some more tens, and we have some 5 ones over here. So now we want to count our tens, but 5 plus 5 is an extra 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count those together as another 10, 11 tens, 3 ones, 113. Let's count that one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Put these together, 110, 111, 112, 113. Go ahead and turn to the last page where we have some story problems. Oh boy, we can do it. But let's give our board a little cleaning before we move on. There's a story there. Please follow as I read the story. The story says, Joe collects toy cars. He can make 11 groups of 10 toy cars. How many toy cars does Joe have? Well, we're going to make 11 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 bundles of 10. 0 in the ones. He has 110 toy cars. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, Mrs. Fry forgot to count enough. 110. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I forgot one stick. There we go. 110. Our next story is about Cindy. It says Cindy collects buttons. She can make 11 groups of 10. So we need 11 bundles of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bundles of 10. And then it says, and 1 group of 7 buttons. So we're going to do 7 up here. We do a row of 5 and 2 more. And so her number is 117. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117. Let's read the story about Lee and his marbles. Lee collects marbles. He can make 11 groups of 10 marbles. So let's do 11 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 groups. And then he has 2 more marbles. So 11 bundles of 10 and 2 marbles makes 112. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112. Our last problem, we have to complete it. So they gave us this. They gave us 10, 6 over here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They gave us another 10 there, so now we have 11 tens. And we have 6 ones. And then it says we need to make the number 119. Let's see what we have so far. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116. And then they give you a box to complete the problem to get to 119. Well, we need to keep counting. So if that's 116, 117, 118, 119. We should have 11 tens, 9 ones. So I drew 3 more ones to make 119. Excellent work on math chapter 6 or math lesson 6.10.